before I start my work, I would like to introduce my art tools. These are the inks I'm going to use, some dilution inks and water spray. This one I got it from Gesso for 7 dirhams, 2 sprays, and I fill it with water, and some acrylic paints. Any of the acrylic paints you can use it. And this is clear gesso. You will be needing it so much. Yeah, this is the name I'm showing you. And collage gel, some people call it decoupage or gesso. And my paint brushes. Okay. First I will pick some stems. Okay. Whenever you start your art journaling, always start from the soft colors. When you start the soft colors, then later on you can, add the details to darken the areas. Okay, today I'm going to show you the tissue paper technique. We call it tracing paper, very thin tracing paper, actually white tracing paper. What I'm going to do is, whatever stems I have collected, so I will print them on this tissue paper, and then I'm going to use them onto my main page. Essential thing, you need to have a ceramic tile. This ceramic tile, you can in your initial stage you can buy 2 different sizes, and slowly when you start learning this, start working in this, you can collect more. I'm going to use my gesso to tell you something which is very important, that using the gesso on any type of paper or any type of surface is must, because it helps other paint to react properly. If you will not gesso your paper, your surface, it will not help your inks or your paint to blend properly or react properly. So like that. Nice colors. Some water. This is simple water, plain water. We can cut it. Okay, I'm going to put my scissors away. Where should I start my? I'm going to rip the extra part. Yes? Yes. Now I'm going to use this one, the decoupage. check how it looks. Okay, nice. Yes, good. Ooh, nice.
Ooh la la.
This one. Okay, but I will not use this one. I'm going to use another color.
Yes.
Maybe this blue. I'm going to use some light effects here. So I will dip it.
Oh, thank you for the lemon gift cat.
Lashes. Distress. I will use distressing. Yes. Yeah, ranges.
The date? Are you going to start the date?
Permanent ink. This is the final touch. Let me try the date first. Wait, upside.
That's so good.
Okay, so this is the final piece. So always remember, less is more. I've used only 2 stencils and some butterflies, some rings to just fill the space a little bit, not to fill too much. This is how you will be doing, and some splashes with black ink, dilution ink. And if you like my video, please subscribe it. Don't forget to give a like thumbs up.